So here's this homemade ceiling tray I made. So right here, and down here, so I really just hanged it on my bed. But there's a switch, battery holder, and then down, battery holder. Down here is the fan blade, and that white thing in the middle. The camera will focus. It's not. White thing in the middle is a pencil eraser. So yeah, we're gonna turn it on. Let me turn it on. So here it is, hon. Yeah. You can feel some air. Not that much. So I made this in like less than an hour. So yeah. And here's a spin down, if you want to see it. It's pretty fast spin down because it's a DC motor. So yeah, so I was expecting the blade to be bigger, but you know it's not. So yeah, that's it for today's video.